Yeah, hi. This is Vinay, and I'm growing a sandalwood plantation here in pomegranate plantation. So this is a 5-year-old plantation, and we bought all the seedlings in the wood science. So all the seedlings are came good. So early we are doing a pomegranate here. So now after the couple of years we took a whatever the fruit from the pomegranate. So we thought pomegranates will be sustained only for 8 to 10 years. So we started planting our sandalwood trees at the age of 6 years of pomegranate. So now actually the moment the sandal has grown after 2-3 years, pomegranate has started to stress. So actually according to me, whichever the host you say, pomegranate is the best host for the sandalwood. As a primary host, or maybe you can up to 5 to 6 years, at least up to 5 to 6 years, pomegranate will be the good host for the sandalwood. So maybe after that you can think of some other host like survey you can think, or maybe some other neem or red sandal, those kind of trees you can think. But primarily, according to me, pomegranate is a good host.
So now you are a member in Indian Sandalwood group.
Yeah,
What is the message you want to give
uh,
to young growers?
young growers, definitely you can grow a sandalwood. There's no doubt on this. So you need not to keep any like slumpy mind in your head. You can definitely grow. Growing it is not an issue, but only thing is how you are going to safeguard this. So since it is the 5th year of this, so I'm not hacking my head too much. Maybe another 2 years from now down the line, so I have to think about the security and all. But presently I have a solar fencing, and I have around 10 to 15 dogs here. So those are all taking care here now, and 2-3 families also staying here. So maybe down the line next 2-3 years, so I have to think about the more security.
Okay. So what kind of dog breeds you
Mudol.
maintain? Mudod only.
Yeah, Mudol.
Completely.
Completely Mudol.
Very good. So what about security? What are your concerns?
Security, now I need to plan. I am thinking for doing some cameras or laser fencing kind of thing, or and also keep some security guards with a gun. So like just build some sniper towers and put up people over there so they can see everyone. Those are all the plans I'm doing. So, and I'm also thinking about chips, but nothing is finalized yet. So I have to hear from the people. Like
So what do you expect from the government?
government, yeah, obviously. First thing is free marketing. Second thing, they have to support in the security system. Either they have to give us subsidized for the security system overall we are providing directly to the company, and they have to make a separate task force, especially for the sandalwood plantations, like by informing the forest department or the local police people. There should be a separate task force for actually this kind of plantations. So that is what I'm expecting from the government. And also, yeah, this insurance is one of the big thing. So we are ready to pay the premium, but we need some security from the insurance.
So you need insurance to be covered for all your trees.
Yeah, that would be better. That we can at least go and sleep aram se at home if it is covered by insurance.
Okay. So because this year alone, we have a lot of young growers who have come forward to grow sandalwood. So they are actually worried about, of course, security, and plus the kind of host selection along with sandalwood. So these type of growers actually want some inputs from growers like you who are successful in raising this kind of a plantation.
See, actually, as a to be concerned to the security, I'm not in that position to convey you guys. But according to the growing, see, the primarily I have grown in this sandalwood in a teak. I have grown in this in a coconut plantation, Malay dubia, everything. But according to me, the first 6 years, pomegranate is the best host. You can close your eyes. You can start your plantation with the pomegranate. If you take my suggestion, take a pomegranate plantation at least for 3 to 4 years. Take a crop, then you plant a sandalwood. Then the growth will be good, and that will absorb all the fertilizers, whatever you are given to the pomegranate.
Okay. So any other input you want to give?
So yeah, grow sandalwood. Let us grow, everyone. Let us make whatever the dream we have is a Karnataka as a sandalwood state. So let us make it true.
Now you have grown so much here. Do you have anybody else growing along with you, or you are
Yeah,
alone?
one of my cousin is also going in a pomegranate, so his trees also came good.
Hmm.
There are in our area only there are so many plantations are going on,
Okay.
and there are new plantations also they are doing.
Okay. All right. So I hope you will be able to develop clusters around you.
Yeah, definitely.
Hmm.
Definitely, we have to do. Actually, it should be treated as a group farming. So sandalwood is such a kind of species. You can't grow alone and you can't safeguard alonely. You have to do it as a group farming. Then only you can safeguard your all the plantation.
Hmm.
That would be better.
So how do you test the quality of this particular sandalwood, the one that you are standing behind?
Actually, with the borer thing,
Okay.
I haven't checked it, so I need to check now.
Okay. All right. Thank you.